had a company called Kaminak, which was at the time, a project generator. And that company had projects across Canada, including 3 uranium projects in the territory of Nunavut, which is in northern Canada. And one of specifically the project, which we call Anglac, had great promise, we thought. And so we pushed that project along with the 2 others into a new company called Kivalliq Energy Corporation. And that started trading in 2008. So that was spun out of Kaminak. And then Kaminak started focusing more and more on gold, and specifically the project Coffee in the Yukon territory. And that was the project that Gold Corp bought the company for. But so that company, Kivalliq, we had great success on the exploration front from a uranium perspective. We had great credibility with the Canadian investors, and we actually had some very strong support from Europe and Hong Kong, globally. We were delivering exploration results. And then there came a time a couple of years after Fukushima that people just said, every time you have success, you provide a liquidity event for all these other schmucks that aren't long-term shareholders. So you guys are delivering success and they're selling into it. And then the next financing is lower and lower and lower. It's because the spot price of uranium was coming down from 70. It went down almost to $17 a pound. So we couldn't win. And frankly, I got personally tired of telling investors, like, it's going to turn around next year, trust me, because we were always wrong. And, I can see it right now. People are thinking that uranium price is going to turn around again. And my feeling on that is, yeah, when it does, we'll be ready. We already own the asset. We can take advantage of the market if the project comes back, we have it. But frankly, I looked at the success that we'd had as a group with Bluestone and Northern Empire and said, look, there are actually really good projects out there that have not received TLC from the management team. They haven't been spending money on exploration. They haven't kept up with the times in terms of innovation in database management or satellite imagery or these things that are, becoming more and more common. This particular company wasn't implementing those strategies. And, we have a group of investors that follow us for our exploration and discovery chops. So with both Bluestone and Northern Empire, I said to myself, okay, let's do something similar with ValOre, where at the time it was Kivalliq. Let's roll it back, give it some latitude to go out and look for opportunities where there's been substantial money invested by prior operators. There's big district scale potential, and specifically it's been malinvestment or underinvestment by previous operators with respect to exploration and discovery. And so we looked at a whole bunch of different projects, and then we found this project called Pedra Branca, which is in northeastern Brazil. There was quite a bit of data available. There was a lot of good work that went into exploration on that project, and it was stalled. And our pitch to the owner of that company, that project, which is called Jangada Mines, they're listed on the AIM. We said, look, we've had some success. We can raise money, and our shareholders like exploration. So we believe this is an exploration story. We think it's financeable, and we would like to invest in exploration. So we came to terms, and we acquired 100% of the project.